The Nongthliew Youth Council HYC commemorated the 190th death anniversary of Khasi freedom fighter Tirot Singh's aim with the unveiling of a grand statue at Lajarte Nongthliew, coinciding with the organization's 11th foundation anniversary. The statue was unveiled by Dr. K.M. Semle, the Deputy Chief of Hima Nongthliew, who commended the HYC for a significant initiative, especially in alignment with the 500th anniversary of the erstwhile Hima Khatsaupra, now known as Hima Nongthliew. Dr. Semle reportedly urged upon the gathering to draw inspiration from the patriotic legacy of Tirot Singh's aim and apply that spirit to contemporary efforts to safeguard the indigenous community from the growing influence of dominant groups in every sphere of life. HYC President Roy Kuparsan in his keynote address reaffirmed the Council's commitment to defending the rights and interests of the indigenous population of Meghalaya. He also acknowledged the contributions of the organization's former leaders, including Peter Lawai and Robert June Kharjarin, crediting them for laying the foundation for many of the Council's achievements, including the installation of the statue to honor Tirot Singh's aim and inspire future generations. During the event, Dr. Semle was felicitated by the HYC President, while Vice President Donbok Langkharlungdo honored renowned artist Raphael Warjeri and his team for sculpting the 24-foot-tall statue. The artistic team also included upcoming sculptors Bante Langnyota and Ritanwell Surong, along with apprentices Yalising Mauri, Punjab Leo Karmalki and Ban Mauri. The unveiling ceremony also featured the release of a pictorial booklet documenting the freedom struggle of Tirot Singh's aim and his comrades, as well as the book, quote, Khasi Folk Democracy, unquote, authored by Raphael Warjeri. The event concluded with vibrant cultural performances by local folk and traditional artists, including Snow White, Khmer Creative Society, Thunder Cave, and Akbar Nongdhar and his troupe.
Kumjuru President jo HYC ba Roy Kuparsan ila ay ka matesa kenma tonginya pencam kecing thapti kat ba kecing penkop program ni kadang la bala penkop program ni dai ba